My name is Chef John Cardona and I'm here to introduce you to your 48-inch Pro Harmony. So this here you have an oven on the left which is 2.2 cubic feet and an oven on the right which is 4.4 cubic feet, which is really large. I can actually put 24-pound turkey in there easily. And we have our broil pan here, plus we have our meat probe. So this is an internal meat probe that's going to be going into our oven. This makes it to where you don't have to worry about opening that oven cavity. Every time you open that door, it lets about more than 25–30% of that hot air to escape. The more you keep it closed, the faster that rib roast is going to be done, and that's why this is important. I do want to talk about our adjustable telescopic gliding racks that we have with an easy grip handle in the front. That's because it's easy to put things in and easy to pull things out. So if you can just grab something and pull it just like so, and drop it in there, to me it makes it a lot easier. Specifically when you have things like, say, a turkey. If you have a turkey and you're pulling it out, it has a lot of those juices and the fat, and it's really hot. So if you try to grab it from the inside and pull it on a normal oven, a lot of times you'll get that splash. We're gonna grab our probe. And our probe is right here on the right-hand side. We're gonna put this on rack position level 2. We're gonna close that door. And I want you to hear that soft close, right? That's important because if you're closing things, you don't wanna splash them around if you have a lot of grease in there. 2, you don't like to hear that sound, and I don't think that's safe for your oven anyways. I also wanna talk about our signature blue lighting that Thermador has on both the left-hand side and our screen here. And also, the high halogen light that we have inside our cavity. The window on this oven is very clear. You can pretty much see the colors of what your food is, and that's very important to see how much browning you have. Say you're broiling something and you want to see the browning, that's perfect for that. And I also want to talk about our knobs. These knobs are very special to me. They're restaurant style professional knobs, and if you could look at them here, very beautiful looking, and they shine beautifully.